Spreadsheets, working with both Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets, and alignment. Labels default are left align, and values default is right align. So the first thing you need to do is open a blank Microsoft Excel. So you can either click the window, which is the Start button, and look for Excel. You need to hover. Or in the type here to search, start typing Excel and it should appear. Excel application, choose blank document. You're in A1. We'll begin with the title, sales for, and I'll put the year 2023. Enter. If you look at it, it appears to be in column B. We'll select A1. There it is, sales for 2023. But if I click B1, there's really nothing in B1. It's all in A1. But as you can see from the boundary, it's not wide enough, because remember our column width, if you were to look at it, is a little over 8 characters, and it doesn't fit. So what we could do is just hover in the boundary between A and B, so where the column labels are. You won't get it over here. It has to be up in the boundary, in the headings, and just double click. And it makes it as wide as it needs to be to fit in that cell. Or you could hold and drag, and as you see the width, it increases. You can move it on your own. Or you could right click and choose column width and type exactly how many characters wide you want it. I type 25 and OK. And notice it's left align. If I wanted, I could center it, or right align, or back to left. But I'm going to center and put it in bold. For B2, I'll type Jan for January, tab, Feb for February. In A3, I'll type the label Anna, and then A4, Jorge. Notice they're all left align, and if you want, you could do them individually, center or right align. Jorge, also right align, or I can use the Open Plus, hold and drag to select both of them and do them both at the same time, whether it's right align, center, or left. I think I'll keep it center and put it in bold. And I'll do the same thing for January and February, so hold and drag across, center, and bold. So now I'm ready for the values. So in B3, I'll type Jan, or 10 for Anna, and then 20, and then Jorge 30 and 20. Notice they're all right aligned, so that this ties in with mathematic calculations where you have your decimals aligned properly, and then your ones, tens, hundreds. So if I were to type 200 here, it aligns even on the right. 2,000, even 20,000, it's aligning on the right. So this is in Microsoft Excel. Now we'll jump to Google Sheets. So go to Google, go to the Google Apps, Sheets, blank, and we'll start the same thing in A1, sales for 2023. Notice it fits. You don't have to increase the size of the column width. If you're curious what the column width is, you could go that down arrow, choose resize column, and the default, this one is 100. You can choose fit to data, and 100 in pixels is about a ruler inch, which is larger than Microsoft Excel. So we'll keep that, that's fine. If we did manually make it larger, I just wanted to share with you, it is still left aligned. So it's a label, left aligned, and you could choose center if you wanted, and also put it in bold. So we'll click in B2, Jan and Feb. Again, the labels are to the left. Labels are titles, Anna and Jorge. And again, they're all aligned to the left. You can select both just like you would in Excel and choose center or right align. And I'm going to put it in center, and I'm also going to put it in bold. And I'll select the same thing for Jan and Feb. But you could also get the horizontal alignment in format, alignment, more work, but what you also notice is they have shortcuts. So you can use Control-Shift left, L, E, or R. So I'm going to do the right first, and then I'm going to hold Control-Shift E, Control-Shift L, R, E, whatever you want, and I'm even going to do Control B for bold. The next one is we'll put in the values and notice where they are aligned. So 10, 20, right aligned, 30, and 20. And again, if you wanted to select all of them, hold and drag, and you could choose, do you want them in the center? You want them left? We'll keep them right. So they're very similar what you can do with labels where they're left aligned. You don't have to leave them like that. Or even if you wanted to change the values and not have them right aligned. But regularly, the labels will be default left and values will be default right. Whether you want to change them or not, it's up to you. But they're very similar in Excel and in Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. Thank you.